Hello, everybody. I'm going to give you a quick update tonight. If you didn't tune into our reorganizational meeting tonight to start off the new year, I did make some announcements, so I'm going to do this hopefully to reach out to more people. Some vital information on test kits and distribution of test kits, as well as some county information. So I'll give you a quick update on the statistics countywide. As of today's update at 10:30 a.m., there's over 5,712 active cases in Dutchess County. 123 of those active cases are hospitalizations. The 7-day average for the positivity rate is 19.69%. And in our town of Dover, for the last 3 days, I believe we maintained 144 active cases. Again, please continue to do the right thing. Keep yourself safe and everybody else as well. If you don't feel comfortable going out at this time, try to avoid going out at this time. That's all I can say. Dutchess County distributing of additional COVID-19 test kits. Dutchess County Executive Mark Molinaro announced today the county has received another limited supply of at-home COVID-19 test kits from the state of New York. Municipalities will be distributing test kits to residents over the next few days, and residents should check their municipality's website or call for specific information about when and where test kits will be available for pickup. I will give that information shortly, okay? These at-home test kits are a critical step towards increasing access to testing within our community as we continue to combat the surge in the COVID-19 cases following the busy holiday season. We thank both our local and state partners for their cooperation in assisting Dutchess in distributing this valuable resource. To obtain a test kit, residents, this is per the county now. The county has set these guidelines. To obtain a test kit, residents must supply their municipality with proof of residency in that town or village. Residents may only get the free test kits from the municipality in which they reside. You cannot go to a different town to get a kit. As supply continues to be limited, each household can receive only one test kit per household. Just one, which includes 2 individual tests. There are 2 swabs in there. Kits will be available on a first-come, first-served basis, and residents who previously received a free kit are asked to please allow others who are unable to get the kit to get one. Please have the respect for fellow residents and your neighbors and friends, and if you have gotten one in the past, please let somebody who hasn't gotten one get one. Residents who receive a positive result from an at-home COVID-19 test must immediately self-isolate, even if they are vaccinated, and adhere to current quarantine guidance, and take a picture of the positive at-home test result within 24 hours and report the positive case to the Dutchess County Department of Behavioral and Community Health at dutchessny.gov/COVID-positive. With high active case volume, contact tracers may not be able to contact people in a timely manner, so residents are advised to follow isolation protocols for their quarantine period. Individuals who work in healthcare or other congregate care setting may have different requirements, so please understand your requirements where you work. If you are a medical worker or healthcare worker, they should contact their employer and refer to the New York State Department of Health Return to Work guidance for healthcare personnel. Okay, so know what you need to do in order to return after a positive test. While at-home tests approved by the FDA and the CDC are reliable, it is possible to receive a false negative. If residents experience symptoms and test negative, they are urged to take another test within 24 to 48 hours. Okay? Dr. Livia Santiago Rosado, Department of Behavioral and Community Health Commissioner, reminds residents to use multi-layered prevention efforts to protect themselves and to prevent the spread of COVID, including get vaccinated, get a booster shot if already vaccinated, wear a mask in indoor public settings, physically distance when possible, wash hands and avoid touching face, including your nose and your eyes. Stay home when you are sick or have symptoms to prevent the spread of viruses, including COVID and the flu. If you don't feel good, stay home, please. Adhere to protocols if you test positive. For comprehensive information about COVID-19, including testing, vaccinations, prevention, and more, please visit duchessny.gov/coronavirus or call the COVID information line at 845-486-3555. We've been through this for 2 years. Again, our numbers are spiking because why? Who knows? Holidays, gatherings, whatever. Okay? We know what we all need to do. We all know what we need to do. We flattened the curve. We've flattened the curve again and again in the last 2 years. Okay? We expected this. We knew this was coming. We just didn't know it was going to be this bad. Our numbers are higher than ever, ladies and gentlemen. Okay? So, please, do what you got to do. And in a few weeks, hopefully things start going down and we go from there. So, enough about that. The at-home test kits. The county did receive their state allotment. I went out today and picked them up. It is very minimal. It is more than last time, but it's not thousands. It's more like a couple hundreds, okay? So, from tomorrow, 1 p.m. until 3 p.m., or if they're not gone by then, we can go a little later. We will be distributing the home test kits between 1 p.m. and 3 p.m., not before. If you show up before 1 p.m., before my staff that I've made available to do this are here, you will be asked to leave. Plain and simple. It will be an orderly, organized distribution site for town residents only. You will come in one entrance of the town hall, which takes you behind the town hall, and you will filter around into the main parking lot. It will be a drive-by setup. We will have people directing traffic. We will have people taking your name and your address. You must know and prove that you live here as per the county. Of course, if we know you're from Dover, it's going to be easy. Okay? But if we don't know you, we are still going to ask for proof of residency. So proof of residency, ID with an address, electric bill, cable bill, whatever bill that shows your address with your name on it. Sorry, that's the guidelines the county set. That's why the numbers are so low. We have to give them to the residents of that town or village only. Okay? What we do ask is for those of you who received kits from the school districts this week or last, whenever they gave them out. If you did receive kits from the school district, please respect those who live in this town and stay out. Stay out of it tomorrow, please. There will be more coming, and I have news coming after this about that. If you received any from the school, please skip out tomorrow and let those who have yet to receive any. We have records. Those who got them on the first round that just took off unannounced, we had to go with what we had to do. We got your names. We got your numbers. We got your address. So if you show up again tomorrow, you will not get one. Okay? I will have staff. I have brought extra staff in to do this. I will have board members there making sure it goes orderly and efficiently. So please, if you've received one from the school or one the last time we were giving them out, please don't come tomorrow because we'll see your name. And if you went to the school, you won't get another one. We ask you to stay out of it. Please, I ask you. The second thing, I've been on the phone all day with the county on 2 issues. Again, talking about the possible reopening of the CVS, the old CVS in the Dover Plaza for either testing and or vaccine or boosters. They're still working on that. It is a staffing issue. They have issues at their place as well as everywhere else. People are testing positive. So they focus where they can get the biggest bang for their buck, ladies and gentlemen. If it's the JCPenney, it's the JCPenney. And that's all there is to it. But they assured me they will try to get at least 1, if not 2 dates sometime the month of January. That's all that is for. But what I did do is they reached out to me. We worked with the county today. I worked with Dana Smith at the 911 center and in the executive's office. And we have confirmed that the town of Dover will be one of 3 countywide distribution points throughout the county for the at-home test kits. We will be utilizing our rec park in Wingdale. It's going to be a drive-through scenario. You will get in. They have yet to get me a date and a time. They are looking at a day and 2 sets of times for that day. Okay, an example would be a 10 to 2 or an 11 to 3 and then a 4 to 7. That's what they're talking about. But Dover was chosen to be one of the 3. I've been working with the county today. I was assured later this afternoon that we will be utilized as one of those 3 sites. So I'm happy that we were picked and asked if we can make it happen. Rec Director Julie Muncie is fully behind this. We will make the accommodations. We will set our schedules in accordance to the date and time they give us, and we will make that happen. And that will be a site where it will help from the Columbia County line to the Putnam County line, just like the CVS Plaza did for the vaccination shots when it first started. So that is the news that I had to bring to you tonight. Again, it's a lot. I'm sorry to take up 10 or 11 minutes of your time, but it's vital information that you all needed to know. So with that, remember, we are strong, and we are Dover, and we are Dover strong, and we'll be one team in one town, in the town of Dover. I can't do one of these without saying that at the end, but I wish everybody well. I wish everybody stay safe, and most of all, stay healthy. And until the next time, everybody, God bless. Good night.